This is just nonsense. And now you're going to the state jail facility. You're going to be locked up for 10 months at a minimum.
He's only 18 years old, and he's already on a path that could ruin his entire life. Today, we're watching as a young car thief faces the judge, and she is not holding back. This is his last chance to turn things around before the system swallows him whole. Watch what happens, and tell me in the comments if you think the judge's sentence was the right call.
Court is calling 2025 CR 008264, State versus Cameron Waters. Can I have parties announced?
Jason Garaham for the state, Your Honor.
John Robertson for Mr. Waters.
And are you Mr. Waters?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all discovery? Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Waters, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
You're charged with unauthorized use of a vehicle. That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea you are giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Mr. Waters, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at 10 months in the state jail facility. There's a $1,500 fine. There are no applications. This is the run concurrently with 2024 CR 007072. The state will take in consideration 2025 CC 004395. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
It is, Your Honor.
And there it is, the plea deal. He's pleading guilty in exchange for 10 months in state jail and a $1,500 fine. He seems to accept it without much hesitation. Now, let's hear what the judge has to say about this.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offense is charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. State exhibit number 1 with all of its attachments.
No objection.
All right, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state would be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and considered to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge Cameron's got potential. He needs to go in a different direction. And we've had that discussion. We asked the court to follow the plea agreement and give him a chance to get this behind him.
All right, the court will follow your agreement. The court is going to find you guilty. The court will sentence you to 10 months in the state jail facility. There's a $1,500 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. This will run concurrent with 2024 CR 00702, taking into consideration 2025 CC 004395, and there's to be no contact with Vincent Marquise Daniels. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I have a question.
Yes.
When I get like 25 and I finish my 10 months, am I allowed to sponge the charges so I can?
You mean receive an expunction? No. Legally, it's not allowed. Now, if the legislature ends up changing,
That's
oh, I'm sorry,
24-15,
that
Judge.
you have to take it to 15.
Okay, okay.
If the legislature changes things, then who knows? But for now, it's not expungible.
Wow, she's making it crystal clear. She's explaining that a legal process called expungement isn't an option for him. That means this felony will follow him, impacting jobs and opportunities for years to come.
Expungible. Yeah.
Fungible.
Yeah, there we go. All right, we're going to move on to 2024 CR 00772, State versus Cameron Waters. Did you review the motion to enter adjudication of guilt and revoke community supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Cameron Leonard Waters, who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2024 CR 00772 for the offense of unauthorized use of a vehicle on August 6, 2024 for a period of 5 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
Yes, Your Honor, violated condition number 1 on or about the 15th day of March 2025 in Texas. The defendant, Cameron Leron Walters, committed the offense of unauthorized use of a motor vehicle or of a vehicle in violation condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Your Honor, we'll waive the remaining violated conditions.
Any objections to the waivers?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. It is the adjudicate guilt, revoke the individual office probation, sentence him to 10 months in the state jail facility to run concurrent with his previous plea.
That's our agreement.
All right, are you asking the court to follow that agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
The court will find you guilty, revoke, sentence you to 10 months in the state jail facility. This will run concurrently with 2024 CR 00702. And the court, as previously stated, will sentence you to 10 months in the state jail facility. Did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. How old are you?
18.
All right, you're 18. You had freedom. All you had to do was not commit offenses. So driving around in a stolen vehicle, was that worth time taken away from your life
No, ma'am.
in custody?
No, ma'am.
Well, why don't you recognize these things until you are before me and you're getting revoked and spending time in the state jail facility? And now you're worried about, can I get this taken off my record? No, that's something that you should have been worried about beforehand. Do you not have anyone in your life that shows you right from wrong?
I do.
All right, so, and who would that be?
my mom and my dad.
All right, so you have your mother and your father in your life trying to teach you right from wrong, and you just choose to do the wrong thing. Life is so easy, people make it difficult. This is just nonsense. And now you're going to the state jail facility. You're going to be locked up for 10 months at a minimum. I'm sorry, at a maximum 10 months. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And when you're sitting there thinking about getting your record expunged, realizing how hard life is now going to be for you, know that it's your fault. This is all 100% on you. It's 100% on you when you were placed on probation for another unauthorized use of a vehicle. And then you wouldn't act right. You wouldn't follow the rules. And then you have another one. When you should have been in school, you should have been at a trade school or doing something to better yourself instead of running around with your friends, taking cars that don't belong to you. Good luck.
So, 10 months in state jail for an 18-year-old. The judge made her point loud and clear. This was his last chance. Do you think the sentence was fair? Was it too harsh? Or was it exactly the wake-up call he needed? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments.